Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about flying. Chapter 3, two stories about flying. There are two stories mentioned in chapter 3. Since the earliest times, humans have dreamt of conquering the skies. From the time immemorial, men had a dream of flying in the sky. And let us see the stories given in the chapter. The first story, his first flight, how it tells about the enjoyment of flying. Actually, it is a story of a young seagull. Seagull is a sea bird. Okay. Seagulls are living nearby the seaside mountains, and they are flying and swimming in the sea, and they are getting fish from there for their livelihood. In this story, there is a young seagull who is afraid of flying. His mother, father, brothers, even younger sisters, they all ask him to fly. But he is afraid of flying. He thinks that he may fall down. If he flies, he may fall down. Because of this fear, he was unable to make a start in flying. Sometimes, by hearing the words, inspiring words, and invitations of his parents and brother and sisters, he just runs through the flat area. But as he comes and sees the down, he is scared of, stops, and he withdraws from his mission, that is flying. And this story talks about one particular day. He is not going for fishing, and he is staying there for a long time. For 24 hours, he couldn't eat anything because his parents, they just left him aside. Many times he asked for they asked him to fly and go fish, do the fishing for his hunger. Because of the unwanted fear, he is not ready to fly and get fishing for his hunger. In this situation, father left him aside. Other siblings, other brothers and sisters, they used to make comments and making fun of him about his fear. But he is not minding. His mother took some fish and made into pieces. Then she was cleaning her beak against the rock piece sitting opposite side of the ledge. Ledge means narrow horizontal projecting from the mountain side. And this mother would come with a piece of fish just near to him, but no so closer. Her idea is to give this food to him, and this seagull must fly and get the food. But because of the fear, this seagull is not flying, he is not trying to fly and not getting. He wants to eat the food, but he doesn't want to fly and get it. So far, the mother was feeding him. Mother would go to the sea and catch the fish, come back to the home or nest and give him. He used to eat and be merry, be happy there, was without doing any hard work. He used to get food from mother or father or brother, sisters, anybody else. Now what happens? Now there is no way. Since 24 hours, he couldn't get any food materials and he couldn't eat anything. He feels very tired and he wanted to fill his stomach somehow. And at this moment, what he has to do, because of the extreme hunger, he just ran after this mother, and he was going downward out of control. He was seized terror. A great terror came on him. He thought that he will die, but automatically he just spread his wings and he was in the air without falling down. As he was flying, his parents, his brothers, sisters, they all came closer to him and supported him. And finally, he reaches at the surface of the sea, on the top of the sea. First, when he touched the water, he felt his legs are sinking in the water. Again, he got the old fear and he thought he would sink and die. So again, unwanted fear came over him and he started to fly away from there, from the sea. But because of tiredness and hunger, he couldn't fly. He was very tired and he slowly sat on the water. And he understood. First his legs, both legs sank in the water, but not the body. His body was sinking on the or floating on the water. And thereby he understood whatever he was frightened or afraid of was really, it was not that much tension. It was so simple. He felt so comfortable and feeling happiness. And that was his first flight he made with courage. And that changed his life. Dear students, this is a simple story, but at the same time gives a very big moral to us. Sometimes we are afraid of something without any reason or without any proper reason. But fear will curtail our growth, it will stop our energy. We have to overcome the fear so that we will be going further and further and further. So, dear friends, if any kind of fear is there, try to overcome and be a successful one in everywhere, always. Thank you. Wish you all the best.